feel about the suggestion that the Bible is the manual for life?
I feel that that suggestion or that statement is true. Saying that
The Bible is the manual for life. BIBLE, basic instructions before leaving earth. So I believe that in order to live life, we have to live by the Bible because it's the truth.
How would you respond to the idea of God answering prayer?
My response will be quick and sweet. I would respond it in this way. God answered prayer, definitely. It could be yes or no, or maybe.
I am so grateful and thankful that He answered my prayer. I am also blessed to know that He loves me that much that He has the time to answer my prayer.
So, would you recommend this to someone else?
Yes, this is something I will definitely recommend.
This is a good program.
I'll recommend to all people, all tongue, all nations.
I sure would.
Yeah, I recommend to anybody. Everybody, actually everybody.
I tell some to come, but I see them, they would never come.
Yeah, I would most likely recommend it to my friend.
How did you hear about Alpha?
How did I hear about Alpha?
What's your favorite part?
The food.
Hey! The Bible was also described as a love letter. Have you experienced that? And if so, what way? God. Love or fear with God?
Do we have to have an answer for that? I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay. Should I look into the camera? I think. Cut.
The Bible wasn't described as a love letter. Have you experienced that, and in what way? The Bible described in.
No, I'm going to ask you questions. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Loyal, how did you hear about Alpha? What's your favorite part of kids' night in Alpha?
When Ephraim's teaching it,
Why? What does he do?
makes it fun.
Okay, that's good. All right, thank you for